Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing why your PS5 games look blurry. Grab your PS5 controller and follow these steps carefully. No tools needed. First, make sure your PS5 is turned on and connected to your TV. If your PS5 display looks fuzzy or unclear, don't worry. It's usually an easy fix. Let's start with the HDMI connection. Gently unplug the HDMI cable from the back of your PS5. Now unplug the other end from your TV or monitor. Inspect both HDMI ports for dust or loose connections. Use a clean microfiber cloth to gently wipe both ends of the HDMI cable. Reconnect the HDMI cable firmly back into your PS5 port. Plug the other end tightly into the TV's HDMI input. Make sure it's connected to the right HDMI port, preferably HDMI 2.1 if available. On your PS5 controller, press the PS button to open the home screen. Go to Settings on your PS5 menu. Scroll down and select Screen and Video. Under Video Output, open Resolution. Make sure it's set to Automatic or 2160p 4K if your TV supports it. If your TV is 1080p, choose 1080p manually to avoid scaling blur. Next, scroll to RGB range and set it to full. This ensures sharper color contrast on your PS5 display. Now open HDR settings and make sure it's set to on when supported. HDR off can sometimes make PS5 games look washed out or dull. Return to the main screen and video menu. Select 4K video transfer rate and set it to automatic. If the screen flickers, set it to -1 for better compatibility. Now, let's check your TV settings. On your TV remote, open Picture Mode or Display Settings. Switch to Game Mode or Low Latency Mode for best PS5 visuals. Disable any motion smoothing or noise reduction features. Those can cause blur and delay on PS5 gameplay. Adjust sharpness to around 50%. Too high can distort PS5 images. Make sure the TV input label is set to Game Console if your TV supports it. Now go back to your PS5 home screen. Launch a game that looked blurry before. Pause the game and open display settings within the game itself. Ensure resolution mode or performance mode is set to your preference. If you want sharp visuals, choose resolution mode on your PS5 game. If you prefer smoother frame rates, use performance mode, but note it may lower sharpness. Now, exit the game and fully shut down your PS5. Wait for the power light on the PS5 to turn off completely. Unplug the PS5 power cable from the wall. Wait about 30 seconds to reset the video output memory. Plug the power cable back into your PS5. Turn on your PS5 using the power button on the console. If the display is still blurry, boot your PS5 into safe mode. Hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. That's safe mode starting. Connect your controller with a USB cable to your PS5. On the safe mode menu, select Change Video Output. Choose Change Resolution and confirm with OK. Your PS5 will restart and show resolution options. Pick 2160p or 1080p, whichever your TV supports best. Once done, restart your PS5 normally. The display should now be crystal clear. If you still notice blur, try another certified HDMI 2.1 cable. Low-quality cables can cause fuzzy PS5 images. Also, make sure your TV firmware is up to date for PS5 compatibility. After all this, your PS5 game should look sharp and vibrant again. If this helped, drop a comment below with your PS5 model or TV brand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more PS5 fixes. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes, where we make your PS5 work like new again.